What's up, y'all? Brian with SoCo Customs, and for those of you who aren't familiar with SoCo Customs, allow me to introduce you. Hey guys, thumbs up, subscribe, hearts if you're on IG, follow all the platforms that we work on. Really push our content to the top when you get good engagement. So yeah, if you guys could do that, that would definitely help us out. Let them know that we make cool stuff. All right, so let's dive into this build. What we have today is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma that we sent up on the Icon Vehicle Dynamics Stage 4 kit. This Stage 4 kit is the most inexpensive kit that you can get with the remote reservoir shocks all the way around on this Toyota Tacoma. These Tacoma kits also come with an add-a-leaf out back and then the tubular control arms up front. Icon is the first choice for many of the Tacoma builders out there because this kit rides amazing. The wheels are the Fuel Blitz in a 17x9 with a +1 offset. And of course, a SoCo build is not complete without the Klever RTs. These are a 285/70 R17. This customer usually drives around town unloaded to and from work, but when he goes into the backcountry, he wants to make sure that all of his gear can be packed away safely and not compromise the ride. So we finished this up with the airlift kit. This build is awesome. This kit really brings the perfect stance to these Toyota Tacomas. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, what are you waiting for? Thumbs up, subscribe, heart signs on IG, follow, and make sure to buy you some merch. We'll show you some examples on the post roll. Cheers, guys.